What's going on? Mike Hobbs here, and in this video I want to show you how to correct text or your transcript inside of Descript. It's a really simple task. I'm going to show my screen right here. And the reason you would ever want to do this is because every now and then when I upload a video in here, if you have a name or you have something that is commonly misspelled by Descript, it's actually funny. I imported this and it actually had my name right. So I had to make it not right so I can do this video, but it's funny. But typically Descript, when I put my name in there, Mike Hobbs, sometimes it goes Mike Hobbs, Mike Hobbs, or sometimes it would say something different there. And so every now and then, if I'm wanting to use this transcript somewhere, I have to edit that and make it correct without actually editing the video, because I don't want to edit the video. If you're not familiar with Descript, if you edit any of this, so if I delete this, it actually takes it out of the video itself. So that's not how you correct the transcript. So what you do, the best way that I do it is I just highlight the word I want to correct and then just click correct. So you just literally click correct and then type in what word it's supposed to be and then click correct. And that's how easy it is to edit the transcript without actually editing the video. So another way to add a word or something that maybe you did not say is you could click this right button, but that actually, it looked like it added a spacer here inside the video. And again, we don't want to edit the video in any way. So what I do is I just highlight the word where I want to add the word that didn't show up. And I can also just click correct and then add the word right after it and then click there. And then that'll add the word without editing the video. And then when you're all done with the transcript, you go through your whole transcript, edit it how you want to do it. Then all you have to do is click on publish up here at the top and then export. And then instead of doing the video, you go over to transcript. If you're putting it on like a Word document or a blog post, you do transcript. And then I would recommend choosing a Word document or one of these other ones if you use those. But if you're putting it on YouTube, I recommend doing subtitles and doing an SRT file. That way it actually shows up when you're actually saying the word itself. If you don't do the SRT, it's just going to give you a document and you don't need that. So if you're putting it on a blog, do the transcript. If you're putting it on YouTube, do the SRT file. And that's it for this video. If you have any other questions on how to use Descript, I'm doing a whole series of videos on how to edit Descript. So you can just type your questions below and I may feature a video just for you. And if you want to find out more about how I use video to make money online, go over to seekprosperity.com. Make it a great day. See you in the next video. Bye for now.